What is up, my YouTube friends? What a beautiful day today. It's March 4th, 2018. It's been a beautiful day. Beautiful day. And I just broke 32,000 miles on the bike just now. Right by the river. That rocks. That really rocks. Anyway, I want to say thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I've got to do my bowling pin giveaway. I do have an idea on that. I will get to that here in a minute. But first, let's go for a little ride, shall we? Probably won't be easy to hear me with the bike going in the wind, but we'll go for a little ride for a minute. Bring you along. Say, look at that, 32,000 miles just now. Yeah, baby. I got this bike with 5,600 miles from, I think the guy was the original owner, I believe. But yeah, let's go for a little ride, shall we? Awesome day today. But yeah, if you can hear me anyway, I'll try to continue what I was talking about. I know a lot of you guys like them bowling pins. I was thinking about doing that for the other giveaway. Or I bought a mailbox shit like a year ago that I've been meaning to airbrush. So we can either do bowling pin, the little truck just sitting there in the yard. We can do the bowling pin for the giveaway, or I can airbrush the mailbox and do that for the giveaway. You guys let me know which one you want me to do, and then I'll do that for the giveaway. Anyway, you guys let me know on that. If you can even hear me. Peace out.